Mohamed, say something to El Salvador. This is a video.
Having that wonderful time in El Salvador, the flower route, and I couldn't be any happier. See you soon.
Do you invite other people for different countries to come to us, this country?
Yep. This is one spectacular country. There's so much to see. I couldn't recommend it highly.
I understand that you climbed the volcano, the Salto volcano yesterday. What do you think, or what do you may tell about this experience to the world, around the world?
It's very hard, but it's something you really got to do in your life. It's a really one experience. When you go up there and you see the smoke and the steam coming out.
Okay,
Really cool.
thanks so much for your work, Mr. Mohamed. He is Mr. Mohamed from New York, okay, and he is taking a good time here in El Salvador. Over there we can see Miss Cristal. She is from China. And there is other Mr. Chao Mi. He is from China too. And over there you can see other two guys that one is from Switzerland. Other guy is she is from Peru. And a lot of people are here today visiting las Cascadas de Don Juan. This is Rafael Zelaya from El Salvador to the different people around the world.